And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here. I'm going to set up another debit and credit column. And all I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take each account and I'm going to work my way down. All right, this is creating the adjusted trial balance. This is what we'll take and put together our financial statements. All right, so cash. Did I do anything with cash over here? Nothing. So what's going to happen here? This 11,400. Remember, this is the unadjusted side. This is my adjusted side. All right. So did this change at all?
No.
Didn't change at all? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. Not every account's going to be adjusted. So this is just going to swing over here. 11,400. Did accounts receivable change? Yes. All right. Accounts receivable was 72,600. Now it's what?
76.5.
Now it's 76.5. So I come right here, 76.5. All right. Once you get to the adjusted trial balance, it should be a celebration of all you have done. All right. It should be pretty easy. All right. Supplies. Was supplies adjusted? It was. All right. 7,200 is not the correct number. The correct number is 1380. So 1380. Was equipment adjusted? No. All right, yeah, we recorded depreciation on it, but this account, equipment, was not adjusted. Okay, so equipment's going to say what?
112.
112,000. Now, this is where we got to be a little bit heady. All right, what goes right up under here? Accumulated depreciation. Okay, don't miss that. Accumulated depreciation is a contra asset account, so I got to pick this up. Accumulated depreciation on equipment. I'll add it right here. Accumulated. That's perfectly okay. And it's what? My balance is 3,000. That's what I'm putting on there. Under the credit, 3,000. Right?
So you wouldn't put it on the unadjusted side?
No.
Like the credit or debit?
Accumulated depreciation did not enter the picture until what?
Okay.
Until the adjustments took place. Therefore, it's not going to show up. I'll have nothing over here. That's all right. Okay? Any other assets that we need to include? We took care of that. We took care of that. We took care of this. There aren't any other assets listed. So we're good to go. Accounts payable. Did we do anything to it? Well, we did something to wages payable. You may have put accounts payable there. I did not. So, according to my little work there, nothing happened on accounts payable. 12,200. I added what? Yeah, I added this wages payable here. Okay? So we need to come over here, put wages payable. Wages payable is 2,475. Did I do anything to unearned fees? In other words, is it true that the balance in unearned fees is still 19,200? What is it?
5,060.
There you go, 5,060. Capital. I didn't do anything with that, so 137,800. The drawing account, I didn't do anything with that, so it's still 10,000. Fees earned, did I do anything with it? Let's see, there it is. It should be 323,840. Wages expense, did I do anything with it? I did. It should be 160,275. Rent expense, didn't do anything with that. 55,000. Utilities expense, didn't do anything with that. It's 42,000. And then I've got a couple of expenses that I haven't added yet. Supplies, that's new. And depreciation, that's new. So I got to add it down here. The highest one first, supplies. Expense was 5,820. Depreciation. Expense was 3,000. And then miscellaneous, I did not do anything with. It is 7,000, and that is it. Okay, we should add up these columns of numbers And we should get, I don't think I get a check figure. 3,000. Somebody double check me here. I didn't write it down. 50, 60, 137, 8 plus 3, 23, 8, 40 is 484, 375. Okay? 44, 375. That's our answer. Okay, so on the exam, what are you going to have to do? You're going to have to pretend this isn't here. Gone. Okay, you're going to be looking at this. I'm going to give you 5 statements. You got to do what? You got to do this. All right? These. You got to do that on your own. Then you got to what? You got to take this and do what? Create the adjusted trial balance. Okay? Now, quick little preview. These are the numbers that are going to show up on the balance sheet income statement. I've been saying this since day one. Assets, liabilities, and equity, which, don't do this on your paper, but here's the line. Right there. Okay? Anything above this line goes where? Balance sheet. Anything below this line goes where? This revenue expenses goes to the income statement. Okay? So our starting point is going to be here. We're going to put together the income statement. Then we're going to do a statement of owner's equity. Then we're going to do a balance sheet. Okay? Then we do closing entries. Then we do post-closing trial balance. And we're home. Okay? So, enjoy the week. All right?